Hello, today we are presenting a very interesting solution, a very interesting audio solution for your classroom, for K-12. Let me show you the components of the kit. Of course, we have the wireless microphone that is included in the kit. You only need to click to power on, you can mute, or you can use very simple. You can install in your neck. Let me show you the rest of the components of the kit. Of course, we have the main unit, that is the audio box. We have two speakers with all the accessories to install in the wall or in the ceiling. We include the cables to make very simple the installation, the setup of the speakers. The audio box is really simple. We have the control for the wireless microphone that we can adjust individually, and we have for another external microphone using a mini jack connector that we can adjust the levels, and we have the input and output of the computer using USB. We have the receiver for the wireless microphone. We have the master control of the speaker output. In the output, of course, we have the line out, and we have the connectors, the block connector for the speakers. And we have the input for the PA system, where we can send all the alert messages or any recording that we can send. Very important that we can also adjust the assisted learning device. We can adjust the output volume that we are sending to the device for the pupils. The Ethernet port allows to manage all the system from the web interface or using a specific application that we provide with the system. Really simple. You can install in few minutes.